Okay, so take a second and figure out the elements in this graph, this chart here. All right, so here's mine. So now we're going to use this chart to do different kinds of probabilities. So the probability of F. So the probability we went to France, that's 18. Remember, if it's not a conditional probability, the bottom is always the total. So the total is an important thing. F and P. So F and P, so there's 3 places right here where F and P intersect. So that's where they intersect. So there's that. This is 3 out of 40. Now F or P. Now what you have to look at here, go to France or go on a plane. It's a weird question, but it's just the way it is. Or a plane. Now what you can see is, as we did in this particular one, they overlap. So when they overlap, you have to be careful that you don't add up just the 18 and the 12, because you're counting the 3 twice. So you can only count each one. So I'm going to just do this over here. You have to add 15 and 3, then the 6 and the 3. Those are the ones that you want, and you get 27. Now, if you were to, over 40, if you were to add just up the 12 and the 18, you'll see that you get 30, which is too many, because this 3 is overlapped. So there is a formula where you add them both up and then you subtract the overlap. That's unacceptable for an or. Right? But otherwise, you just make sure you add the right ones and you don't add anything twice. So then we have S and P over P. Remember, because that's S given P, so it's Spain given they take a plane. So if Spain and plane, that would be 6 here. And then how many take a plane? Well, that's 12. Plane and Spain, I feel rain in Spain, mainly in the plane. Okay, all that's doing is changing the bottom number here. So it's the same here, 6 is still the same, but the bottom number is now Spain. So how many people go to Spain? Well, that's 14. So you just have to pay attention to the formula. So then this one is G, Germany, and take a car, over how many people take a car. So Germany and car, I'm just going to change my color here. So Germany and car, that's 5. Over how many people take a car? Well, that's a total of 28. Okay, we'll practice this a little more, and have a wonderful day.